Okay, we are from group 9.8. Our group want to produce a sing declogger. That is our project's name. I want to present about the problem definition. We conducting a survey and opinions from customers' preferences based on the problem faced with the clogged sink and the opinions of the design specification of sink declogger. Okay, we have 10 questions in the survey, but in this slide, I just show 4 questions only. For the first question, majority answer that they have problem with the clogged sink, and the way they solve it, it is by calling the plumber using traditional method, which is open the sink trap, and by the product that can prevent the clogged sink. For this question, majority says that it is messy when using the traditional method. So we come out with a product. Okay, these are the specification that the user wants, such as easy to handle, high safety, attractive design, lightweight, clean, and remove completely the blockage in the pipe. This specification will be put in the customer requirements and HOQ. Okay, these are the examples of the current product. Uh, the problem or issues with the current product is not enough power to unclog the blockage, difficult to handle, messy and dirty. For the impacts on society, not suitable for all ages to handle the product and short-term usage. For the impacts on environment, it will cause water pollution and does not meet the 3R initiative standards. These are the methods that leads to the blockage. In example, grease and oil and soap. Uh, in addition, the poor pipe design that connecting to the drain, maybe it is too long, can also lead to the blockage. These are the target customer for our product.
Business opportunity. The problem is clogged sink or drain pipe. The general needs for our customer, the first one is high durability because it it's handle a dirt and wet waste. Second one is mobility, so that our product can be used anywhere at any places. And it is need to be easy to store and easy to use by everyone. There's two products that has a correlation to our proposal, which is the first one is Brushcraft Drum Anchor. It is manually used, and the main part is drain snake. This is the main part for unclog the sink. The second one is sink drain pipe. This is powered by a pump that is installed underneath the sink. This method is more powerful to unclog a sink. Our product would like to combine these two to improve efficiency and functionality.
My name is Muhammad Ramli. Today I want to present about the customer requirement CR, engineering characteristic issues and the cost of quality HOQ. We got customer requirement from the Google Form, which is self-directing, high safety, easy to store, easy to handle, attractive design, low breakdown tendency, lightweight, durable, and less installation and long range. For the uh, for the engineering characteristic, we got the time to install system, then area to clean, test of product, total weight, compressive force, stress test, daily jewelry, and various time to use, damage probability. From we invest in the house of quality HOQ. We got the compressive force for the force the rent and follow the total weight and the land. The highest ranking exists for the HOQ either constraints or design variables whose values can be used as decision-making criteria for evaluating candidate design. For the first point, we got the complexity scores for the highest ranking. If a high ranking EC has only a few possible candidate values, then it may be appropriate to treat that EC as a constraint. There are certain design parameters that can only take a few discrete values. The lowest ranking ECs of the HOQ are not as critical to the success of the design. These ECs allow freedom during the design process because their value can be set according to priorities of the designer or approving authority. The lowest ranking of the HOQ is the styling jury. It's because of the aesthetic design. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Zahirul Amin bin Jamil, and today I will explain about product design specification. Okay, product identification. Our product name is Declogger. It is a house tool used to unclog a clogged drain pipe, specifically made for sink, bathtub, and toilet drain. It consists of two parts, pump and drain snake. Its special features are it can be used by all type of age, young, adult to all. It is safe to handle and it has two options on how to use depending on the situation. The key performing target is it can unclog any possible matter that may causing the problem. It has a strong water pressure produced by the pump to push the clogged part down the drain pipe. It has sharp, long and strong drain snake to enable going further down the drain up to 2 meters. No training required, and the service environment it can be used for building with built-in drain system such as house, office, school, restaurant and hospital. Okay, the physical description is the material is light, strong and durable, and the drain snake length is for about 2 meters in length. For life cycle target, we target the single Declogger can maintain up to 3 years and beyond. It has reliability of 5 years, and for its end of life strategy, the material can be recycled. For market identification, our target market is mainly housewives, janitors, cleaning workers, and drain-related jobs. For competing product, the current product requires high manpower to use. It has short length of drain snake, and it does not clean the drain perfectly. For financial requirement, the time to complete the project is about 3 months, and it has 6 month complete warranty. For social, political, and legal requirement, safety and environment regulation will be followed. Safety and product liability, the only safety aspect of sink declogger is during the inserting of drain snake, but it is involving handling sharp object, that is, drain snake tips. And lastly, manufacturing specification, the manufacturing requirements, material can be found at local hardware store. That's all. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. Today I will present the project management in the progress about meeting. Firstly, the task that was given to me is to arrange the Gantt chart and make sure the task is complete according to the time given. The task that was complete until now is briefing about the project, find a project title, researching and planning, proposal writing, confirming a project title, and then lastly is researching and analyzing about the project. The Gantt charts are very useful for our team to planning and scheduling the project. They help our team assess how long a project should take. The Gantt charts are a useful way of showing what work is scheduled to be done on a specific week or day. For the second slide is work breakdown structure. For work breakdown structure, we separate it into 6 parts, which is market research, product design, product development, production planning, marketing, and project management. The work breakdown structure is the tool that we use for our project. Many benefits of creating work breakdown structure. Firstly is it defines and organizes the work required. Secondly is it can be used to identify communication points. And the lastly is it can show control point and milestone. And the last slide is task, responsibility, and competence. In the organization, we separate it into 5 different types of tasks and it controlled by project manager. Every department head like project controlling, project supervising, project personnel, project customer were given the task, responsibility, and competence. They must to run this project according the task that was given. Thank you.